you can use to refresh your mind in 5 minutes, sorted by category. 1. Breathing and relaxation. Deep breathing. Focus on slow, deep breaths to reduce stress. Progressive muscle relaxation. Tense and then relax each muscle group in your body. 2. Movement and physical activity. Stretching. Simple stretches for your neck, shoulders, and back. Quick walk. A short walk around your home or office to get your blood flowing. 3. Mindfulness and meditation. Guided meditation. Use a short meditation app or video. Mindfulness exercise. Focus on your senses, what you can see, hear, and feel in the moment. 4. Creative outlets. Doodling or drawing. Grab a pen and sketch something for fun. Journaling. Write down your thoughts, feelings, or a gratitude list. 5. Engaging the senses. Listen to music. Play an uplifting or calming song. Aromatherapy. Use essential oils or scented candles to stimulate your sense of smell. 6. Hydration and nutrition. Drink water. Hydrate your body to help clear your mind. Healthy snack. Eat a piece of fruit or a handful of nuts for a quick energy boost. 7. Change of scenery. Step outside. Spend a few moments in nature for fresh air and a change of perspective. Rearrange your workspace. A small change in your environment can refresh your mindset. 8. Mind games. Puzzles. Solve a quick crossword or Sudoku. Brain teasers. Engage in a short mental challenge to refocus your thoughts.